and welcome. You're watching a special broadcast here on India Today. I'm Akshata Nantagopal and we're getting you now a look into the trailer of Taapsee Pannu's next Loop Lapeta. Hello and welcome. You're watching India Today. I'm Akshata Nantagopal. In this special broadcast, we're getting you an exclusive interview with Taapsee Pannu and Tahir Rajpasin, who spoke at length about the upcoming film Loop Lapeta.
खाने की हमें आदत हो गई थी, इसलिए हमने एक दूसरे को ही अपना पेन किलर बना लिया। उसके लिए it was love at first fight. कसीनो जाना बंद कर।
सभी लाइफ बदल जाती है। All it takes is a day.
लाइफ का तो पता नहीं, तेरी शक्ल जरूर बदल गई है।
तेरा काम बहुत सिंपल होगा। इस बैग को उस एड्रेस पर लेके जा। और तुझे पेट्रोल मिलेगा, वो तुझे एक बैग देगा, उसमें होगा 50।
50
क्या? लाख। 50 लाख? 50 लाख। 50 लाख?
50 लाख?
50 लाख? 50 लाख? अबे 50 लाख!
तो तू बैटिंग करने गया and you lost all the money, right?
I'm dead, सभी। ये मुझे काट डालेगा, सभी। If you know what I mean. Shit!
50 लाख, 50 मिनट और एक यूजलेस बॉयफ्रेंड की जान मेरे भरोसे। अब इस बार लाइफ और डेथ का सवाल है, आप हेल्प करोगे कि नहीं? किडनैप सब लोग।
Sorry, sis.
कर्मा का नाम सुना?
Who's Karma? मैं बंदूक निकालूंगा।
मैं बोलूंगा hands up.
सत्या, no. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? कैसे हो रहा है?
Circle of life.
Shit!
सत्या तो जिंदा है?
हाँ, अभी तक तो।
सत्या फिर से जिंदा है। And I have to save him this time. चुप सत्या, जहाँ है वहाँ रुक और जूलरी स्टोर की तरफ जाने का सोचना भी मत। ओनर के पास गन है।
अभी सोच, कल सुबह तेरी लॉटरी लगने वाली हो और तू आज ही ऑफ हो जाए।
थोड़ा सैड नहीं हो जाएगा? दुनिया से मार खाने की हमें आदत हो गई थी, इसलिए हमने एक दूसरे को ही अपना पेन किलर दुनिया से मार खाने की हमें आदत हो गई थी, इसलिए हमने एक दूसरे को ही अपना पेन किलर बना लिया। उसके लिए it was love at first fight. और मैं बहुत भाग चुकी थी, अब बस पाँव टिकाना चाहती थी।
I need to start this conversation with you, Taapsee, by asking you when the film came to you, right? What were the boxes that film checked which made you say yes to it? Because clearly it's an oddball choice.
First, how it has suddenly made me feel like this script was made for Indian audience. The Indian element in it, which you will not know in the trailer, you will see the film and you will understand why I'm saying so. The Indianness in it. And the second thing was the new age comedy. And the third thing was the style, treatment, all that someone like Akash Bhatia can bring on board, which was needed. मतलब इस तरह की फिल्म के लिए, क्योंकि ये उस एक तरह से होमाज है उस फिल्म को जो अपने समय से काफी आगे के समय के लिए बनी थी, जब बनी थी। तो वो आज की डेट में अगर बनाई जाए तो आज की डेट के हिसाब से भी आगे के समय के लिए को रेफर करे। इस तरह की फिल्म होनी चाहिए, वो सही हाथ में पड़े, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है। तो जो सही हाथ थे वो भी काफी बड़ा रीजन था। ये सब रीजंस थे मेरे। तो जो मैं मना करने गई थी एक्चुअली कुछ कारणों की वजह से ये फिल्म्स के, मतलब मैं रहने देती हूँ। एक उनमें से शायद यही था कि मतलब कि क्यों करनी है वो पिक्चर जो मतलब इन एनी वे रेफरेंस है जो एक कल्ट क्लासिक की। वो सडनली वो सारे जो बेड़ियां थी वो टूट सी गई थी दिमाग में जब मैंने ये स्क्रिप्ट की नरेशन खत्म करी। मैंने कहा ये तो मैं ही करूंगी।
Right. Tahir, what about you? Given the fact that you do get excited by trippy characters, versatile roles, different stories, was that one of the reasons why you said yes to this? And the added fact that, like Taapsee said, it's very Indian, that Indianness is there when you watch the film.
All those reasons and more. The fact that it was an edgy character, the way it was going to be told was a very different way of telling. Visually, I don't know if you got that from the trailer, but the way it's been lit, the way it's been shot. I did know at the time when I heard the script that Taapsee was already on board, and I've always loved watching her choice of films over the past few years. And the fact that within the crime and the drama and the thrill, there is a definite Indian version of new age romance, and that I was going to be playing off Taapsee in order to create that was a big factor.
So we were so तेरा काम बहुत सिंपल होगा इस बैग को उस एड्रेस पर लेके जाए और तुझे पेट्रोल मिलेगा वो तुझे एक बैग देगा उसमें होगा 50 क्या लाख 50 लाख 50 लाख 50 लाख
50 लाख
50 लाख 50 लाख अबे 50 लाख
तो तू बेटिंग करने गया and you lost all the money, right?
देख सभी ये मुझे काट डालेगा सभी if you know what I mean shit
And Taapsee, there is a lot of running involved in the film. Given the fact that you are also somebody who's into fitness, and did you come off Rashmi Rocket for this? Is that how you stayed fit in the film?
Yeah, actually, it's strangely not in any planned way, but it coincided with shooting of Rashmi Rocket. So I was alternating schedules between Rashmi Rocket and Loop Lapeta. So my running training was actually helping me more in a way for Loop Lapeta because I ran more in Loop Lapeta than what I ran in Rashmi Rocket, actually.
And I believe there was a physio on set and everything was taken care of.
Yeah, it was because as I told you, I ran much more on Loop Lapeta, and that too on roads and footpaths and not like professional tracks like how I was running for Rashmi, because those are professional tracks. So here when you're running with that speed on roads and footpaths for every day for like days in a row, then it's not really healthy for your joints. So after a point my muscles especially got too tightened and needed a little bit of help. So we had the physio on board to make sure that I can keep running, because I had to run every day for like I think almost 2 weeks in Goa for this.
Wow, that's crazy. And Tahir, you also sort of represent the millennial, the Gen Z, or the language, the fabric, the way people speak. The film and the trailer, not the film, the trailer definitely resonates with that. It does seem like the younger audience can pick up nuances from it. Did you, in a way, contribute to certain scenes, impromptu stuff while making it?
Just by watching a lot of current stuff. I wouldn't want to give out references at the moment because then it draws comparisons. But yes, there was a lot of references to what today's audience watches. Just simple things like Satya's got a nose pin, and that's something that's in vogue at the moment. Even the rhythm at which he talks, when he gets into trouble, he starts talking at this pace, and that makes him really interesting to watch, because that he's got like this nervous energy going on. As far as the look and feel is concerned, full credit where it's due. Akash Bhatia, the director of the film, has done a fab job. It's his debut, and Yash Khanna, who's the DOP, has created the world that you see on screen.
50 लाख 50 मिनट और एक यूजलेस बॉयफ्रेंड की जान मेरे भरोसे। अब इस बार लाइफ और डेथ का सवाल है, आप हेल्प करोगे कि नहीं?
And Taapsee, the trailer also gives us a glimpse into the supporting characters, the other people in the film, the other characters in the film. And given the fact that you're such a collaborative person, what was the experience like working with such a diverse cast?
Oh, all of them. I was working for the first time with all of them. And it was, Savi's character who ends up encountering them at 3 times at the same set of people in different situations, in different emotions. So I was having a great time feeding off the energy of those people, because they were all more or less, these fresh, raw talent, who I hadn't ever gotten an opportunity to work with. So there was such good, new, so to say, energy and vibes that I could really play off with all of them. I had my own favorites in terms of what was written on paper, because I when I read the script, I heard the script, there were certain favorites. That the 2 brothers that you see in the trailer, their track is my favorite. So I kept telling them the entire time, your track is my favorite track. No pressure, but your track is my favorite track. I hope you guys do it well. So yeah, so these characters are the ones who actually make the journey of saving Satya interesting. Otherwise, it's just like, okay, one character is going to save the other. It's going to be over and over the same thing. But what makes it different and exciting are these characters who are going to come across Savi's journey in between, and how they're going to keep you entertained and excited about what's going to happen next. So that, I think, is the beauty of the film.
Right. And this question is for both you and Tahir. Tahir, I want to start with you. You know, when you work with an actor for the first time, right? There's a whole ice-breaking part where you sort of get to know each other on a narration, or you do a reading, and then you do your first day on set. What were the things you discovered about Taapsee? We've all seen her work, but what did you discover about her as a person working on this film?
Tahir's first day encounter, I don't think it will be very it will be very different from what I think. Ha, Tahir, batao.
No, it was strange because actually the first time we met was on a Zoom call. We were introduced for an, I think we were doing an interview, right? We were doing an interview with another anchor. And that's when we actually met and spoke about the film together for the first time. And then we met in a reading with Akash Bhatia, and it was crazy because Akash Bhatia himself is like, another film can be made on that man. Because Taapsee and I are sitting there. Normally, you get a director who will either get the actors to read or will read himself. But Mr. Bhatia has acted out every part in and I'm not saying miming or this thing. He has acted out every character. That's how passionate this man was. And I'm just looking at Taapsee, and Taapsee looking at me like, are we experiencing this right now? And so it was like this surreal bond that we had as a result of that. We knew that, acha, okay, we're getting into something a little different with this man. And then after that, we had pictures of look tests, and I instantly knew that this is someone who's incredibly comfortable with her craft, with herself, and that because and that's very important, because when you're creating romantic chemistry, you need to feel that ease with someone, and I felt that with her instantly.
I said Napusa, bro.
Sorry, sis.
Karma का नाम सुना?
Who's Karma?
मैं बंदूक निकालूंगा, मैं बोलूंगा hands up.
Taapsee, what did you discover about Tahir?
I wanted to actually curiously know. I mean, not that I ever asked him, but I was like, why don't we see this man more on screen? Because when we got him, when he said yes to the film, I was like, yeah, that's superb, but wait a second, why hasn't he worked more? Because whatever we'd seen of him on screen, everyone unanimously really liked it. So it's very strange not to see more of a person who has been unanimously liked in everything he's done so far. So that was very strange. And that's when, when he started working, he told me that, okay, he's working on, something else. And he was working on a couple of things at that time. And that was like, okay, finally, he's working on more stuff. But yeah, I mean, I'm glad that we could have him when not many people were really having him around. So yeah, but it's strange that everything, now he's taken over the country. Now suddenly it's Tahir all over. So,
like I said,
yeah,
learn from the best.
Yeah, high time, because, it's I think we really missed seeing him on screen so much after his debut. It was, well, he's little introvert, or very introvert compared to me. Very, very shy. So it almost felt like, am I making him awkward, or is everything okay? So later on, I realized that no, he is a little introvert and little more like observational person, whereas I speak before I observe. So it was a little opposite. But then, you discover that over a period of time, so which is interesting, where you get to meet different kind of people, and the idea is he can switch into becoming Satya, which is diametrically opposite for him, which I think was beautiful to see that switch happen on and off camera. So yeah, you all get to see that in the film. Actually, you'll know what I'm talking about.
Satya, no.
ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? कैसे हो रहा है?
Circle of life.
Shit!
सत्या तो जिंदा है?
हाँ, अभी तक तो.
सत्या फिर से जिंदा है. And I have to save him this time. चुप सत्या, जहाँ है वहाँ रुक. और जूडी स्टोर की तरफ जाने का सोचना भी मत. उनके पास गन है।
Right. And my last question
Tushar,
is,
sorry to cut you. Since Taapsee has spent 5 minutes with compliments, I think I deserve 10 seconds to return the favor. I just have to say here that back when I debuted with Mardani, one of the real inspirations back in the time were other people who were coming from outside of Bombay and making their mark. And although this is not a college, it's not a school, but you always have these people who come in like a few years before you and inspire you. And Taapsee is definitely one of them. And I'm not saying this just because we're in the interview. I remember saying this to her even on set. I think there was a Forbes magazine 30 under 30 or something like that where I remember reading about her. And she was on the cover and I was on the inside page or something. And there was some crazy coincidence like that. And I remember thinking even then that, hey, this would be incredible. Like if I can pair up with her, because I related a lot to everything she's saying, both in terms of being self-made, in terms of that journey from going to an actor to a good actor to a star. It's something that I aspire to follow.
See, it was meant to happen.
Yes.
you manifested it.
Yeah.
My last question is, in real life, say it's an oddball situation, you were stuck in a loop with one person in your real life. Who would you want to be stuck in a loop with? Taapsee?
I maybe, I'll tell you what, because if I know someone too well, I think it will not be fun to get stuck with that person. I'd like to be stuck with Robert Downey Jr. I don't know. I'm just fascinated with how exciting that man can come up, his just reactions, and I would want to know more. So that is why maybe. Jisko zyada jante ho, if you know someone too much, then it's not fun probably to get stuck in a loop with that person.
That's interesting, Tahir.
Now that we've gone on Hollywood, mine would probably be Emma Stone.
Nice. I can actually visualize that. So
Thank you. If you can just send that energy out to the universe.
You're putting it out there.
I was actually going to say Leonardo DiCaprio, but then I was like, forever, if I have to be stuck with someone, then it should be a woman.
I'm with you on that, definitely. On that note, we are looking forward to Loop Lapeta. It's definitely going to be a trippy experience. It's a film that definitely is going to find an audience and probably going to see both of you in a very different role. So looking forward to that. All the very best and catch up soon. See you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
अभी सोच कल सुबह सुबह तेरी लॉटरी लगने वाली हो और तू आज ही ऑफ हो जाए
थोड़ा सैड नहीं हो जाएगा?
And now let's transport you to Hollywood and check out the biggest newsmakers from the West. Here is Fully Foreign.
The Oscars ceremony this year will finally have a host after a 3-year absence. The Academy Awards last had Jimmy Kimmel as a host in 2018, before the following year was plagued by controversy after resurfaced homophobic jokes and tweets caused Kevin Hart to step down. Interestingly, the 2019 telecast saw a rise in viewers, up from 26.6 million to 29.5 million, but subsequent years have seen a consistent fall, with 2021 ceremony plummeting to an all-time low of 10.4 million. After last year's COVID-affected ceremony was held at Union Station, this year we'll see the Oscars return to the Dolby Theatre.
I'm here to work. I'm cobalt-free, Miranda. I've done my hip rehab. I'm better than ever. Just tell me.
The longest-running medical drama in television history, Grey's Anatomy, is returning for its 19th installment, with Ellen Pompeo all set to reprise her role as Meredith Grey. According to reports, Pompeo, who currently serves as the show's co-executive producer, will take on the role of executive producer next season. The show's 17th installment focused on frontline workers, taking into consideration the COVID-19 pandemic, while season 18 was all about a fictionalized account of a post-pandemic world.
Okay. And I am single. You?
I don't know why you came all the way up here. There's nothing left.
There are people out there.
Michael Cernowski, who directed Nicolas Cage in his acclaimed drama Pig, is in the talks to helm a Quiet Place spin-off in the popular franchise that earned box office acclaim with 2018's A Quiet Place. The film is reportedly not expected to pick up where Part 2 left off, with Emily Blunt's character, Evelyn Abbott, and her children. Instead, the upcoming film is expected to be a spin-off based on an idea from John Krasinski, who co-wrote, directed and starred in the first two films. Reports also suggest that it's unlikely Blunt and Krasinski will reprise their roles in the third film. The franchise is set in a dystopian universe where people are forced to live in silence in order to evade monsters with ultra-sensitive hearing.
What is our next retreat? What, next mission? We'll call you.
This is my chance. Spider-Man No Way Home director John Watts will be jumping into horror to help relaunch the Final Destination franchise. Watts has reportedly joined the currently titled Final Destination 6 project as a producer and also wrote the treatment for the story. Final Destination has been a reliable box office owner for the makers ever since the series began back in 2000. The films regularly grossed anywhere from $90 to over $150 million at the box office throughout the 2000s, and was one of the few franchises to benefit from embracing gimmicks like 3D in later installments.
Kimmy?
I'm here.
What time is it?
It's 7:26 a.m.
The trailer of Steven Soderbergh's tech thriller Kimmy is finally out.
I'm here.
Call Dr. Burns.
The film sees Zoe Kravitz star as a homebound voice stream interpreter who believes she's listened in on a possible murder and goes down a cyber rabbit hole to solve the mystery. Kimmy will debut on HBO Max on February 10th, 2022.
Kimmy, bedtime lights.
It's easy on.
Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
I know this morning.
And that's a wrap on this bulletin. For further news and updates on indiatoday.in, you can also download the app. Goodbye and see you.